Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. We're going to do an unboxing to see what Profiles has sent us for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies Nail Show in GATLINBURG, Tennessee. This is some VIP swag, so let's cut it open and see what's in here. Exciting! I love it. You think I got to keep some of it, but nah, all this goes into VIP bags. Bunches of peanuts, which always is fun. Let's see how this goes. Oh, here we go. Ooh, look at it. Okay. They have sent us these packs of purple sanding bands from Profiles. And if you don't know Profiles, profilesbackstage.com. Go on to it, and these are purple sanding bands, coarse grit, approximately 100. One pack of these will be in each of the VIP bags. So if you want to see all the nail swag that we've got, and more is coming. I've got like this box over here, and there's a box over here I still have to open up. Go on to nailtechevent.com and go on to the sponsors and prizes page, and you'll see all the swag and the door prizes that we're going to be giving away on July 9th at the Gatlinburg, Tennessee Convention Center. You can still get tickets until June 30th online, and they're cheaper online. So go to nailtechevent.com. Peace out, Nail Techs.